Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 4, exercise 4I, book D2, algebraic manipulation and formulas. Make A as a subject. What does it mean? It means that you have to find the value of A, or you have to make the given equation in such a way that you have to find the value of A, or this equation gives the equation as a subject A. For example, in question number 1 you have been given that is you have to find the value of A, so y by x is your required result. Similarly, in question number 2 B part, the value of A is Q divided by P minus 4. Similarly, in C part, the value of A is equal to C. You have to shift it, so minus by. So you need the value of A, so the value of A is C minus by divided by x. So that is your A as a subject. Similarly, you can see in D part, you have been asked that you have to find the value, that is P into A plus B is equal to C. So multiply it, so you will get PA plus PB is equal to C. But you need the value of A, so put here, so shift here minus PB. The value of A is C minus PB divided by P, because you need the value of A, the multiplied term should be divided to the other side, so that is your required result. You can see here. Now coming to the next part, that is your E part. You can see in E part, that is 2A minus 3M is equal to 4A minus 7. So similar term will be shifted at one side. You will get 2A minus 4A, this is will be shifted here, is equal to minus 7, and 3M will be shifted, so it will become plus 3M. Now 2A, and from here positive term should be written first. You need the value of A, so 3M minus 7 divided by minus 2. So that is your as a subject A. Now coming to the F part, that is 5B minus 2A is equal to 3C. So you need the value of A, so put here, remain here, minus 2 here, and shift here 5B towards the other side. You will get minus 5B. So the value of A is 3C minus 5B divided by minus 2. So here A as a subject. Similarly, in next part, in G part, you can see A by M plus B is equal to C. So A by M is equal to C minus B. So shift B here. You need the value of A, so by using cross multiplication, so M into C minus B. You can see, so the value of A is MC minus MB, or this one. So here A as a subject. Similarly, the H part, you can see X is equal to 2A by 3 plus 5Z. So you need the value of A, so try your best that you have to change, that is 2A by 3, so shift here X minus 5Z. By using cross multiplication, you will get 3 into x minus 5z. 2a, so multiply it, so you will get 3x 15z. You can see, but you have to find the value of a only. Here is a 2a, so you can say that 3x minus 15z divided by 2 is equal to a. So here a as a subject one. Now coming to the next part. That is your I part. P plus a divided by 5 is equal to 3p. So you need the value of a. So p plus a is equal to, by using cross multiplication, 15p. We need the value of a. So 15p minus p. So p have been shifted here. So you can take common. Otherwise, this is your required result. That is 15 minus 1, and the value of a is 14 p. So you can write as, so you can take common, so that is your 14, so 14p, and here that is your result. Now coming to the j part. In j part, that is r is equal to m into a plus g. So multiply ma is equal to mg, that is your r, but you need the value of a. So r minus mg, because you have to shift it here. Now you can see the value of a is r minus mg divided by m. So a as a subject. That is your question number 1. Now in question number 2, make the letters in a bracket the subject of a given formula. That is, it means you have to make the subject as given. That is, in question number 2, a part, we have to find, that is, a is equal to half bh. You have to find b as a subject, which is given in brackets. So it means, you can see here, how can we find the b as a subject? We need the value of b. So first of all, remove the denominator here. By using cross multiplication, you will get 2a is equal to bh. You need the value of b, so h will be divided. So here is your result. Similarly, in b part, you can see t is equal to kx square divided by 2l. So we need the value of k. K we should make as a subject. So by using cross multiplication, you will get 2 lp. By using cross multiplication, here is kx square. But you need the value of x square. So what should you do? You need the value of k. So the value of k is 2lt divided by x square. You can see here. So you have made k as a subject one. So that is your result. Coming to the c part. In c part, f by m, so f by m is equal to v minus u divided by t. So by using what should you do? You have to find t as a subject. So you need the value of t. So it means, first of all, by using cross multiplication, so you will get ft is equal to m into v minus u. So multiply it, mv minus mu, that is your ft. You need the value of t. So what should you do? That is mv minus mu divided by, we need the value of t, so divided by f. So that is your subject. So in d part, 3k is equal to 12 plus 2L divided by 5. You need the value of L. Okay, by using cross multiplication you will get 15k 12 plus 2L. 2L you need, so shift here, so 15k minus 12, but you need the value of L. So how can you find the value? That is, you see here, you can see here you need the value of L, but here, so that's why the value of L is, you have to divide here, that is, you need this 2 will be divided this, but we don't have enough space. You can see it here, that is L is equal to 15k minus 12 divided by, you can see here, that is 2L, this one, but you need the value of L, so 15k minus 12 divided by 2, so that is your L as a subject. So now coming to the question number E. In E part, A by B minus A by C is equal to 1. So you need the value of A. So you have to make A as a subject one. So what should you do? So first of all, you have to shift it. That is A by B is equal to A by C. When you shift this A by C here, so it will become positive, so it means A by C. So you need the value of, but here when you find two A's here, and so it means there is a relation between them. So what should you do? Another method is also, but first in this method you can use by using taking LCM, because when there are two types of A, you have to take common first, then otherwise. So before shifting, so this question can be solved by simple methodology, as you should take common A, as you will get 1 by B minus 1 by C is equal to 1. So taking LCM, that is BC, so you will get C minus B is equal to 1. So by using cross multiplication, A into C minus B is equal to BC. By using cross multiplication, BC multiplied by 1, you will get BC, but you need the value of A, so BC divided by C minus B. So here A as a subject, you have made it. You can see by using cross multiplication, you can see BC multiplied by 1, you will get BC. The value of A, C minus B is multiplying, so it will be divided here, so you will get BC by C minus B. So here is your A as a subject one. You can see, I think that it will be very much clear to you. Now coming to the F part. In F part, you have to make A as a subject also, that is in F part you have to make A as a subject, that is A by 3 plus B by 4, you can see here, is equal to C by 5, is equal to C by 5. Here you have to make A as a subject. So once again, by the same methodology, you need the value of A, so it means A by 3 is equal to C by 5 minus B by 4. You have to shift this at the other side. Now you can find the LCM also, so that is your simplified form. So in further steps, by using cross multiplication, you need the value of A only, so 3 into 4C 5B divided by 20. If you simplify it, then no problem, otherwise it is not simplified with this, so you should multiply it, and that is where the value of A is. For example, 4 3s are 12C minus 15B divided by 20, so that is your A. That is your result. Because A as a subject we have to make. Then coming to the G part. Coming to the G part, that is A is equal to H by 2 A plus B. We have to make A as a subject. So by using cross multiplication, you will get 2A H into A plus B. So first of all, you see here, first of all we have to make A as a subject. By using cross multiplication, you will get this. So HA plus HB. So after simplification, now you need the value of A, so leave here and shift the other terms, 2A minus HB, but you need the value of A, so 2A minus HB. So you can see here, after simplification, this HB will be shifted here, so you need the value of A, so 2A minus HB divided by H. So here A as a subject, you can see here, that is your result. Now coming to the next part, that is your H part. In H part, you have to make the subject, that is S is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So make L as a subject. Okay. First of all, by using cross multiplication, that is 2S is equal to n into A plus L. So NA plus NL 2S. So you need the value of L. So NL leave here. So 2S minus NA. So L is equal to it should be divided, this one, that is 2S minus NA divided by N. So the value of L is this one, L as a subject. So coming to the next part, that is I is equal to in I part, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 by P plus 1 by Q. You have to make Q as a subject. So how can you make it? So shift here, for example 1 by Q here, and shift 1 by F minus 1 by P. So 1 by Q, so taking LCM, that is FP, so you will get P, that is equal to P minus F. So when you need the value of Q, but here is 1 by Q, so when you invert, so this will also be inverted. Here you have taken LCM, so after taking LCM inverted, then Q is equal to, so this will be inverted like as P minus F. So that is your result. The value of Q is this one. So you have made the as a subject Q, so FP or PF divided by P minus F. So that is your required result. Now coming to the next part, that is J part. In J part, S is equal to U T plus half GT square. So we have to find the value of U. U we have to make as a subject. So shift here, S minus 1 by 2 GT square is equal to UT. But you need the value of U. So S minus 1 by 2 GT square divided by T. So it is a verified form. But if you say that we have shifted here, and you can see we have the given equation, after shifting we will get this, but you have to find the LCM also, because here you can see, so that is your UT, you have shift here this term, Now taking LCM, because 2 is LCM, so 2s minus gt square is ut. So we need the value of u, because we have to make u as a subject. So u is equal to, by using cross multiplication, 2s minus gt square divided by 2 will be multiplied with t, so it will be 2t. So you can see here u become as a subject, so that is your required result. So in A part, you can see question number 3, P is equal to 2 into L plus B. We have to make L as a subject. So by multiplication, 2L plus 2B. So you need L, so shift here P minus 2B. So you will get 2L, but you need the value of L. You can say that 2 will be divided, P minus 2B divided by 2. So L you have made as a subject. Now coming to the B part, that is A is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H. So you need the value of H, because H has a subject one, so multiply it, you will get, that is but you need the value of this, so divide it here, A divided by 2 pi R, and you will get here R plus H will remain here, but you need the value of H, so shift here, that is A divided by 2 pi R minus R, so here H as a subject. So coming to the C part, in C part that is A into C minus 3 is equal to BC. You need the value of C. Okay, when you find two C's here, left hand side and right hand side, so it means multiply it first, that is AC 3A is equal to BC. Now CC will become at one side, so AC minus BC, and this 3A will be shifted here, so it will be positive. So take C as a common, so you can see here, you can take C as a common, so you will get A minus B 3A, and the value of C is 3A divided by A minus B, because you have made C as a subject. Now coming to the D part, in D part you can see here A plus B is equal to AX divided by C. Here you have to make A as a subject, so by once again you can find here two types of A. So the similar A should be shifted at one side, so AX by C is equal to, and this B will be shifted here, so it will become minus B. So taking A as a common, so you will get 1 minus X by C minus B, but you need the value of A, so it is better to take LCM here to simplify, that is CX, and you need the value of A by using cross multiplication. It will be minus BC divided by, so C minus X will be divided here. You can see, that is by taking LCM, after LCM using cross multiplication, so after cross multiplication you will get C minus X, but you need the value of A, because you have to make A as a subject, so minus BC divided by, so C minus X will be divided here, you can see. So that is your result. That is, in this case you have made A as a subject. Coming to the E part, that is 1 by A, you can see here, plus 1 by B is equal to 1. So taking LCM, what should you do? Because you have to find B as a subject, so no need to take LCM because you need the value of B. So place here 1 by B is equal to 1 minus 1 by A. So shift this 1 minus 1 by A here, so it will become minus 1 by A. So taking LCM, A, that is equal to A, so that is your 1 by B, but you need the value of B, so invert it. So here 1 by B is equal to A minus B by A, so when it will be inverted, that is B by 1, so you will get that is A by A minus 1, so 1 no need, so B as a subject. So that is your concept. Coming to the next part, that is your F part. In F part, A is equal to 5 by 4 into B minus 18. You need that B will become as a subject. So what should you do? By using cross multiplication, 4A is equal to 5 into B minus 18. You can see here first, by using cross multiplication, you can write as, you have to make B as a subject. So multiply it, so 5B, and after multiplication you will get what? 18 into 5, you will get 90. So 90, 4A is equal to 90, but you need the value of B. So shift here 4A plus 90, 5B. You need the value of B, so 5 will be divided here. You can see you need the value of B. 4A is 90 divided by 5. So that is your result. Coming to the next part, G part. In G part, 1 by A, you can see here 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C. You have to make B as a subject. Okay, so leave here, so 1 by B is equal to 1 by C, shift, so 1 by A will be here, so it will be minus 1 by A. So taking LCM, so you will get 1 by B, but you need the value of sorry, but you need the value of, by taking LCM, you need the value of B, which is your 1 by B. So invert it, so when it will become B by 1, so it will also be inverted, that is A minus C. So 1 no need to write, because denominator as a 1 no need to write, so that is your answer, because you have made B as a subject. Now coming to the next part, that is your H part. In H part, that is A by 2C plus B by 4 is equal to 1. So you need the value of A as a subject. So shift here, A by 2C, A by 2C is equal to, you can see here, that is your given question. You need to find A as a subject, so leave here A by 2C is equal to 1, shift here, so you will get minus B by 4. So taking LCM, a by 2c. Now you need the value of a, so by using cross multiplication you can write as a into 2c into 4 minus b, that is your 2c. So multiply it, or you want to cancel with this because it is in common form, you can cancel. So 2 2s are 4, so you will c into 4 minus b divided by 2, because 2 2s are 4, 2 will be cancelled with this one, so it means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you multiply it, so you will get the same result, otherwise this is your required result. For example, if you multiply, you will get 4c minus bc divided by 2. That is your required result, because you have made a as a subject. Now coming to the I part. In I part, 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to b by a. You have to find a as a subject. You can see here 2 times a, you can see here, so shift it one side, b by a, so it will be minus, and the remaining 1 by b will be shifted here, so it will be minus 1 by b. So that is your first step. Now coming to the second step, taking LCM. A is your LCM, so 1 minus b is equal to minus 1 by b. But you need the value of you need the value of a. What should you do? First of all, you should try that leave here, and the remaining thing should be using cross multiplication, or otherwise you should directly use cross multiplication. You can write as, for example, minus a, and this will be multiplied b like this by using cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, this a will be multiplied, 1s are a, 1s are a, and this b will multiply with this one. So but you need the value of a, not minus, so minus will be divided here, or first of all you can say that multiply b minus b square, and that is your minus a, but you need the value of a, so minus, so it will become minus b plus b square. So it means, but you need positive term should be written first, so that's why b square minus b, so that is your result, that you have made a as a subject. Now coming to the J part. You can see here in J part, x is equal to y into z minus y divided by z. We have to make z as a subject, so by using cross multiplication, xz is equal to yz minus y square. So zz will be shifted at one side because there are 2 z's, that's why minus z, so minus y square leave here. So you can see by cross multiplication and brackets after multiplication, so we have shifted because 2z, so take z as a common, so you will get x minus y, that is your y square. But you need the value of z only, so what should you do? You can see this x minus y will be divided, so that is your subject. Now coming to the K part. B minus x divided by a is equal to x by c. X we should have to make as a subject, but there are 2x, so by using cross multiplication, that is c into b minus x ax. So you can see first of all in this step by using cross multiplication. So by multiplication, CB minus CX plus CX, because there are two X. When there are two X's, you have to shift it one side, so taking X as a common, so you will get A plus C. You need the value of X. So what should you do? Here the bracket where multiplying should be divided here. So here X is a subject. So coming to the L part, you can see here X is equal to 1 divided by Y plus 1 plus 2. So you have to find the value of Y. So by taking LCM, we have to make Y as a subject. So by using cross multiplication, you can see here, and 1 plus 2 into Y plus 1. So xy plus x. So you can see here the similar terms will be added with each other. So you will get 2y plus 3. Here xy plus x. But you need the value of y. So y will be shifted at one side. So xy minus 2y. Here 3 minus x. So this x will be shifted at the other side. So you will get y as a common. So you will get x minus 2. 3 minus x. So you need the value of y because you have to make y as a subject. So what should you do? Only a one step remain. You can see here. You can see here the value of y is the value of y is 3 minus x divided by x minus 2. So here is your result. So by the grace of God, we have completed exercise 4i. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.